In this video, I want to show you how to split KML into multiple files using split vector layers in QGIS. For example, I have this KML file. Let me open it in Google Earth Pro so that you can see how it looks like. So I'll double click it and this will open it in Google Earth Pro. Here you can see the KML file that is made up of different polygons. Now if I want to split this file into individual units, let me show you how to do that using split vector layer. So let me close this. Now to do that, go to QGIS, open your QGIS and bring in the KML file. Alternatively, what you can do, just drag and drop the KML file in QGIS. When you drop it, it will bring these options. Select multi-polygon and click on add layer. It will add our file. Now to verify, right click and open the attribute table. In attribute table, let's assume we want to split this KML file using this field called name, such that we can access each of these very name. Actually, this is Kogi State with its local government area. So if we want to split it using this name of the local government, let me show you how to do it. So to do that, come to processing and click on toolbox. Then here you can search for split layer, that is split vector layer. So double click it, it will open the vector general split vector layer. Now the input layer will be the KML layer you want to split. Then the unique field we want to use to split is the name, the field called name. Then if you want to add a field prefix, check it. Then under these advanced parameters, click to expand it. The output file type, click here and select KML. Select KML. Then our output directory, click here and select save to directory. Navigate to your working folder. In this exercise, I'm working in this folder. I'll select it and click on select folder. Then after that, leave other thing at default and then click on run. Yes, it is done. Then click on close. Now if we go back to the folder we are working in, you can see that each of the LGA, that is local government area, has been splitted into individual file. So this was our original file. It has been splitted into individual file, such that, for example, if I should double click here to open it in Google Earth Pro, let's see the results. Yes, you can see this is this area, which is Ajaokuta. So compared to the original one, let me open the original one. If I double click to open it, you can see the original one here, which consists of bunch of local government area, but I was able to split them. If I uncheck this, this is the one of it. So I have successfully splitted the KML into multiple files. In essence, this is how to split KML file into multiple files using split vector layer in QGIS. Thank you for watching.